Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see, since I've been gone so long, I'm going to give you guys a little treat. I'm going to give you my carne asada recipe. We're going to go through the marinade, what type of meat, then we're going to throw it on the grill. You guys are going to check it out, alright? Stay tuned.
No, I'm hungry. Deuces. This is Food, Fun, and Facts with Big D. Now that's delicious.
Alright guys, now that we got this marinade ready, we're going to add some meat. We're going to be using ranchera today, also known as beef loin flat meat. I've got about 3 pounds here. We're going to add it to the marinade. What you want to do is you want to layer the carne asada in there, push it down into the marinade so that it gets all over the meat. Soak it in there, get your hands dirty. If you want, you can wear gloves. Don't just dump it in there. Make sure you put each piece on its own so that it can sit in the marinade and soak up all those delicious flavors. All right, we're gonna let that sit for about 3 or 4 hours. I leave mine on the countertop because as soon as it's done marinated, it goes on the grill. And as you know, when meat sits out at room temperature and you put it in on the grill, it cooks a lot faster and it cooks evenly. We'll see you guys at the grill. All right guys, got the grill fired up. It's been about 3 hours. We're gonna throw that carne asada on the grill right now. All right, we're gonna let that sear for a little bit. We're gonna flip it over, cook it a little bit on each side until it's medium rare, and then we'll check it out. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's flip them over and see where we're at. Oh yeah, look at that caramelization. All right, leave it for another 10 minutes. Don't touch it. We'll be right back. All right, 10 minutes is up. Let's take these off the grill. We're gonna set them in the house, let them rest for 10 minutes, You don't want to cut it open right away because all that juice will come out. Look at that. Ooh-wee. All right, see you back in the house. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. We've let the meat rest. Let's cut one open, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, nice and medium rare. Exactly like it. Look at that. Oh my God, so juicy. And delicious. All right, let's give one a try. Delicious. So juicy. That citrus flavor goes throughout the whole entire thing, the garlic, onion, everything. Give this one a try, guys. You won't regret it, I swear. Okay, thank you guys for sticking by me, even when I wasn't posting videos. I got tons of likes, comments, subscribers. I think we got over 40 subscribers, even though I hadn't posted a video in a while. Stay safe out there, guys. Deuces!